If the straight leg chopper is too difficult, one regression exercise is simply doing tucks and then opening into straddle instead of just going to the straight leg. So what that looks like after getting into position, stepping on my gas, pulling with my arms, my back and shoulders are down, booty tucked. I'm just going to tuck like we did in the V-ups. And then bring my head all the way back like a froggy, and then open my legs, and then you can just get down. You want to start in front of the pole, feet on the gas. I'm going to do my right side, so I'm going to take my right arm, which is also the inside arm, wrap it around the pole towards my face. Then left hand is going to come next to that, also at my face. I'm going to really want to tuck my pelvis, make sure that I'm squeezing my butt, getting that triple extension in my quads and calves as well. And then for this one, you want to use your hips as the momentum while you throw your head back, looking at the wall, and then your crotch is going to be towards the pole. So I'll show it to you again. And then to get down, you want to slowly lever yourself. You can also passe. And then there you go. Woo. You're going to want to bring your outside ankle right above your head to the back of the pole. And that's going to wrap around. And then next, your inside leg is going to wrap around the front of the pole, giving you that knee sandwich like in the climb video, except you're going to be doing it upside down. So I will show you what it looks like. I'm going to do my chopper first, bringing my crotch to the pole, legs back, head back. Next, I'm going to use my hips. I'm going to thrust, bringing my ankle to the pole. Next, with my inside leg, I'm going to wrap that around the front of the pole. Then I'm going to move my hands away, squeezing with that knee sandwich as hard as I can. And then you release, bringing your chin away from the pole. And then this is your crucifix. And to get down, all you're going to do is bring your hands out in front of you, let go of the inside leg, and slowly bring your hands forward, levering down. This might leave a mark, but there you have it. You're going to want to bring your outside knee, the back of your knee right here, around the back of the pole, just like in your crucifix. And that's going to be your hook leg. You're going to be pushing and squeezing really hard. And then with the outside or inside leg, that's going to be your lever, and pulling or pushing your leg down will help keep your body in equilibrium. Next, you're going to get into your 80s waist once you hook that leg, and you're going to slowly lower yourself down, having to release your hands, arching your back, and that will help you get into the outside leg hang. So I'll break it down while I'm in the air. So you're going to do your chopper. Your outside leg is here, hook. Next, I'm going to get into my 80s waist, which is my groove on the side of my hip. This outside or inside leg is going to be pointing down towards the ground, and that will help you keep your body in equilibrium. Next, you're going to pull up and slowly release your hands, looking at the back wall. Have a moment here, and that's your outside leg hang. To get down, you're going to bring both hands into the triangle in between your 80s waist and your leg, and you're going to release this leg back into your chopper, and you can slowly lever down to the ground.